Okay, so members, today we are going to see quadratic equations with common roots. How do we find the conditions? Now, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, what are the steps for? Now, the steps are, if they give you two quadratic equations and they tell you that they have in common roots, they will tell you to prove a certain condition. The idea is you eliminate x and you make x squared the subject. That's step one. Step two, you eliminate x squared and you make x the subject. Then after that, you simplify as we are going to see. So, if I'm to handle question one, they are saying, show that if this and this are in common roots, then this is equal to this. One of the steps are eliminate x first, then eliminate x squared and simplify. If I'm to do that, I want now eliminate x. If I want to eliminate x, now, you start, this is the x. This one is it has a, this one has a. It means that now I need to multiply here by 2 so that I can eliminate. So, I'll say equation 1 minus, you see I need to multiply by so that I have 2a, already a is there. So 2 in equation 2. I'll be adding now. So here I will have now, I multiply here by 2. Then here by also. Then I subtract. I subtract, here we are adding c, you start x squared is common, so we are adding c minus 2, I will be adding c minus 2. X squared is going to be common. Then this minus this, it goes away. Then negative 3 minus this, I get minus 5p equaling 0. So now I make x squared the subject. My x squared is going to be, take this side, we have 5p, divided through by this. This is call it equation 3. The next thing now, we eliminate x squared. Eliminate x squared. How do we eliminate x squared? The idea is, to eliminate x squared is that I need to multiply here by, see, I'm going to multiply here by 6. So, I'm going to say c in equation 2, then we subtract off that equation there, then minus equation 1. So, in equation 2, if I multiply by c, I'll be having here in equation 2, so I'll be having cx squared plus CAX plus CP equal to 0. I'm multiplying by C in equation 2. Then, so that the coefficient is the same. So now, I subtract these ones. So, if I subtract there, you see I will be having, the idea is, you subtract this, will go away. Then here we are having c, this minus this, that x is common. So I'm going to be having ax is common. So I'm going to be having c minus 2. Then ax is common. So ax. Then this minus minus. I'm going to be having now plus cp. Then plus this minus minus 3p equaling to 0. Now, if we make x the subject, you see now here is common, so I'm going to be adding now c minus 2 into a x equaling 2. Now when I take the whole of this side, okay, if when I take this side, so that p is common, so I'm going to be adding p is common, I'll be adding c plus 3, but when I take the other side, the side here is going to change to negative. So what I'm doing here is, I have now c minus 2 into ax, then plus from here, so that p is common, into c plus 3 equaling 0. So when I take this to the other side, that's why it's just turned into a negative. So my x here will be over a c minus 2. By now, you see here you have already x squared, and here you have x. You know that when I square x, it will be equal to x squared. So, if you square this, if you square both sides, I'll be having now x squared equaling 2 when I square this, b squared, when I square this, I'll be having now squared over, when I square a, this will be now the whole square. Now, this one is your equation 4. Now, so that equation 4 and equation 3, they are the same. Why? Because this is x squared and this is x squared, meaning that my equation 4 is equal to equation 3, meaning that my equation 4, which is equal to equation 3, which is 5b into c minus 2. Now, from there, start this one b is going to go with one of the p's. This one bracket is going to go with that one. If I cross multiply, I have now b into equal to, this side I have 5 x squared into now c minus 2. And I think that's the proof they want us to show. So members, that's how we deal with these equations with common roots. Please try out number 2. I wish you the best. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.